Good morning. I've got a quick video for you today that you can use for reference in the future when you're doing seedling development, and cover what nutrient needs to be added to those seedling trays. If you're not using the seedling tray, I'm also going to give you the knowledge towards the end of this video that you need to make sure that your seedlings have the correct nutrients in the right amount. Let's get started. The confusion I have seen is when to add what nutrients to the seedling trays. I can make it pretty easy for you. If you're starting from seed, that seedling tray needs pre-plant. The Mittleider seedling tray, I've got a video on making these. I'll put an iCard here and a link in the description for you if you want to see these made. We'll get 1.5 ounces of the pre-plant. You put it over the surface once the container's full, scratch it in, and you're good to go. Now, when those seeds turn into a seedling and you need more room and you move them from one container to another, the second container that's getting the seedlings in them, not just the seeds, needs both weekly feed and pre-plant. Pre-plant is still applied at 1.5 ounces to that container. The weekly feed, you're going to put 3/4 of an ounce in there. Scratch it in the same way, water it well, put your seedlings in, you're good to go. If you're transplanting into a bigger pot, or you're not using these seedling trays whatsoever, we got you covered there too. Each of these seedling trays holds 1/2 of 1 cubic foot of growing medium. Regardless of what you're filling, you can add the required nutrients too. It's pretty easy. Get a container such as a tote that you're able to measure length, width, and volume of your growing media. Figure out how many cubic feet of medium you've got in that tote, and for every 1/2 a cubic foot of growing medium that you have, you're going to add the required nutrients. If you're doing seedlings alone, all you need is the pre-plant. So for every 1/2 a cubic foot of growing medium that you have there, you're going to add 1.5 ounces of pre-plant. If you're putting into the big containers like you see here, you need the weekly feed and the pre-plant. Same measurements. For every 1/2 a cubic foot in your tote, you're going to add 1.5 ounces of pre-plant and 3/4 of an ounce of weekly feed. It's that simple. All right, folks, there you go. If you have any questions about this process, this was pretty quick, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Happy gardening.